Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to make a game pass in Place Donate on mobile. So to earn Roblox in Place Donate on mobile, you need to create a game pass. Since selling shirt requires a PC, follow this step-by-step guide to make a game pass and use it in Place Donate. So let's get started. So the first thing is to create roblox.com in Safari or Chrome. Then tap the three lines menu and click on manage my experience. Then log into your Roblox account if prompt. Then from there, select a game. Choose any of your existing games. If you don't have one, then create a new one. Then from there, go to associated items, tap it and select passes. Then click create a pass, then upload an image, or you can simply pick any image that works. Then from there, name your pass, give it a title and description. Then from there, click create pass. Then your game pass is now created but not yet for sale. Then after that, click on your newly created game pass, then tap sell on the left menu. Then toggle on the items for sale and enter a price, which is you can simply use 20 Roblox, 10 Roblox, or 50 Roblox if you want, based on the price optimization. Then click save to apply changes. Now note that your game pass is ready to sell in Place Donate. And here's another step 4. The step 4, use the game pass in Place Donate. Then open the Roblox and launch Place Donate. Then find and claim a stand. Then tap your stand and select edit. Then you can now edit your game pass and should be automatically appears as a donation option. And now people can now donate Roblox to you through your game pass. And that is a long method on how you can make a game pass in Place Donate on mobile.